Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through these particular filter restriction forced. So the car has gone into limp mode. When I say limp mode, the revs do go, but it doesn't push as it should do, so there's no pushback as it, you know, as you put your foot down, it lacks in that sense. So what we're going to do is take it out of the restriction mode. Now, a lot of you out there are saying, well, that doesn't fix it. Of course it doesn't fix it, but we are going to take it out of the restriction mode, and when we do, it will then give us the full power back, and then we'll put it into a force regen section. So we'll go into force regen. Anyway, first thing first, we clear all the faults. Sorry, that's to do with the seatbelt. It's annoying as hell, as usual. Now, the battery's been dead on this car, so I'm not going to risk turning it off because it might not come on. So we'll just there we go. We'll just do this. This usually, I mean, the engine light will be on unless you turn the car on and off. When you do, it will then go away. I know sometimes it doesn't work, and sometimes, in this case, it's strict as anything. There you are. So there, P2463. So what we need to do is get in there. Is get into that engine section. So if you're using, this is a King Bowling K7, by the way, guys. In your case, you could have hotel, whatever it is. So get into the engine section. You'll go into special functions. You'll go into power. Let's have a look at this one. And then here it is. We'll say reset. So we'll reset these. And in some cases, in some vehicles, you'll be able to see new DPF fitted. Whereas in this case, it's not. So it's not end of the world. So we'll go into this one. And we'll also do these as well as we go along. So let's do this. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first go. So it says engine off. Hopefully it'll start. Okay. Turn that on. And then turn these lights on. Okay. Okay. Switch off. Procedure successful. Okay, that's fine. And then this one as well. So we'll just remember, it will not delete some specific fault codes, okay, when the engine's running. It's just typical. I know, I've realized with Jaguar, well, most cars anyway, but that's done. Now I'm just looking to see if it does have that specific option where it's not in this case. So if we read fault codes, I'm not going to do this, come back out. We'll clear the fault as it was doing the whole system scan. So here it is. So if we do clear fault, so as you can see, it has cleared the engine section fault, and the engine light has gone. Now, I wouldn't say, you know, don't be fooled by this. This is not going to 100% work. So what we recommend is, now go onto motorway. Motorway is your best option, or the A roads, and have the revs around about there. Probably fourth gear, I think, would be best in this case, this 6-speed. Do your normal 60-70 miles an hour, but make sure the rev is there. And keep going for a good distance, shall we say. And this will hopefully clear the DPF out. If this doesn't, then the next alternative would be to take the DPF out, really, and clean it. Or I have other videos that you can watch and clean it the way I do it, really. It just depends how easy it is to get into, but this would be the best way, and there is no way around it. If you're in limp mode, you have to use a diagnostic machine. Okay, guys?